Hello children, today we are going to study about the next chapter, that is chapter number 3, The King's Condition. What is the chapter name? The King's Condition. Here we have very important 3 characters. The first person is Tenali Rama, and then King Krishnadevaraya of Vijayanagara Empire, and we have other courtiers also here. Let's start with the lesson and let us see what is the condition given by the king here. King Krishnadevaraya is in good mood. He gives each of his courtiers a bag containing of 50 gold coins. Can you see here? He is the king over here, and there is a courtier standing next to him here, and there is a soldier holding the bag containing 50 gold coins. So let us see what his king is going to tell us next. After looking at the gold coins, courtiers are thrilled. What happened? All the courtiers are thrilled. Just then the king says, I want you to buy things with these gold coins within 1 week. At the end of the week, show me all that you buy, but there is a condition. Every time you spend a gold coin, you have to see my face. The condition given by the king is that whenever they are going to buy anything with the 50 gold coins, they have to see the king's face, and then only they have to do the shopping. Shopping means purchasing the things which they needed. Okay, from this condition the king is giving 50 gold coins to everyone. All the courtiers are pleased. Pleased means they are very happy with this condition and 50 gold coins given by the king. They leave for the market to do some shopping. Yes, everyone went running for the shopping. But whenever they decide to buy something, they remember the king's condition. How can they see the king's face in the market? Will the king come for the shopping to the market? No, he will not come. So they are thinking what to do next. If they do not see the king's face, they cannot spend gold coins. Without seeing the king's face, they cannot spend the gold coins. The courtiers are puzzled. Puzzled means confused. Confused, and they are really worried what to do. Some of them stay in the market for the whole week. Some of them, what they did? They stayed in the market for the whole week. They think if the king comes to the market to buy something, we might get to see his face. Then we can spend the gold coins. What are they thinking? All the courtiers are thinking that, okay, king will come to the market to buy something. Let us wait till then. So everyone wait. They were waiting for the whole week to see the king's face to buy something in the market. Let's see what happens next. But the king does not come to the market. The week passes in this manner. When the court assembles after a week, the king asks the courtiers, well, how did you spend the gold coins given to you? The courtiers have no reply. The royal priest gets up from his seat. The royal priest gets up from his seat. He says, Your Majesty, we could not buy anything at all. How and where could we see your face in the market? Then pointing towards the bags of gold coins that all the courtiers have brought back, the royal priest adds, since none of us could see your face in the market, we did not spend a single gold coin. In this paragraph, we could see that all the courtiers who had gone to the market, they have come back without purchasing anything in the market. The week already went in this manner. Manners means in this way the complete week has been completed. And assembles. Assembles means how we do assembly in the school. Means everyone getting together or gathering together. After everyone have gathered together, the king has the question. Did you spend the gold coins? The courtiers had no reply. They couldn't say anything. They said, Majesty, we couldn't see your face in the market, so we didn't buy anything in the market. After listening to these courtiers' answers, the king looked at Tenali Rama. Whom did he look at? He looked at Tenali Rama. That day, Tenali Rama has come to the court. Tenali Rama also had come to the court, wearing new clothes and ornaments. Tenali Rama had come to the court wearing new clothes and ornaments. Means he has purchased all the new clothes and ornaments. He has come by wearing all those things. The king asked Tenali Rama, "What about you? Did you spend the gold coins?" Tenali Rama smiles and answers, "Your Majesty, look at this new dhoti, this silk kurta, this beautiful scarf and this shining ring. I bought all these things with the gold coins given by you." The courtiers are surprised and happy. They think Tenali Rama did not see the king's face before buying anything. He has not fulfilled the condition laid down by the king. Tenali Rama is surely going to be punished today. All the courtiers are very happy and surprised by looking at and listening to this. What Tenali Rama had done? He had purchased a dhoti, a silk kurta and a beautiful scarf and a shining ring. So he had bought these things with the help of 50 gold coins given by the king. So listening to this, the courtiers were happy that okay, Tenali Rama will be punished because he has done a mistake. He has not looked at the king's face before purchasing all these things. So all the courtiers are very happy and surprised. The king says, "Tenali Rama, you have not fulfilled the condition laid down by me. You did not see my face in the market, yet you dared to buy these things." So the king has got angry and is telling that, "Tenali Rama, you have not fulfilled my condition." Means he did not follow the condition given by the king. Without seeing my face, how dare you buy all these things? Means dare means how fearfully, without fear he has purchased the things. Tenali Rama says, "Your Majesty, I have spent all the gold coins only after seeing your face." The king questions, "How was that possible?" Tenali Rama answers, "Your Majesty, have you forgotten that every gold coin bears the picture of your face? Every time I spent a gold coin, I saw your face. In this manner, I fulfilled the condition laid by you." The king smiles at Tenali Rama. The courtiers do not know what to say. Wasn't Tenali Rama clever? See, here Tenali Rama is telling to the king that, "My dear Majesty, have you forgotten that every gold coin bears a picture of your face?" That means on each and every gold coin there is an image of the king. So whenever he spent a gold coin, he was looking at the face of the king which is present on the gold coin. In this way, he fulfilled the condition told by the king. Listening to this, the king was really happy and he smiled at Tenali Rama. And don't we think that he is really clever? Tenali Rama, is he clever? Yes. Unfortunately, he is a really clever poet of the Vijayanagara Empire. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening to the story.